Hi everyone, welcome back to AI Moms. If you've ever designed something in Canva and wondered how to properly download and print it either as a book or just print the sheets by yourself, this video is for you. Today I walk you through the exact steps to get the best quality prints from Canva. Let's dive in. Step 1. First log into your Canva account and open the design you want to print. For example, I want to print this weight loss journal. What you see now is a preview. You have to click one more time on it to open it. Go through your Canva file and edit anything, or delete pages if you need to. You can also add pages with content, whatever you desire. Undo something if you deleted and didn't want to. You can make some changes, write anything on your pages. In this case I will insert my name. For example, over here just insert name, just like this. Make it a little bit smaller. Just like that. Now I'm going to remove it because I don't need it. Now click the share button. On the top right, then select download. Go to file type and choose PDF print for the highest quality. If you want precise cutting guidelines, tick crop marks and bleed. I don't want that right now. Then you can select pages over here. For example, if you prefer this cover, you can deactivate these ones. So then click download. And your file will be saved to your computer. We're going to wait a second for it to finish. Now open your downloaded files. In my case, it's going to pop up in my computer. I open my downloaded files using Adobe. You can use Adobe too, or your preferred PDF viewer. Then you go to the right corner and simply click the printer icon here and go through your printer settings and print it as usual at home, or send the PDF to your local printing services. And that's it. Now you know how to properly download and print your Canva design at home. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Canva tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or video requests. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.